Hello and welcome to Rush Beyond's course on how to start a travel blog. The entire purpose of this course really boils down to how you can start an amazing travel blog with ease. So here's what we will cover today. Step 1, we're going to show you how to pick out a travel blog name that is both amazing and everlasting. Step 2, we're going to show you how to set up your travel blog even with no computer skills. Step 3, you're going to learn how your blog works. Step 4, we're going to teach you how to make your website look beautiful instantly. Step 5, we're going to teach you how to get a logo. Step 6 is going to go through the essential plugins throughout WordPress. Step 7, how you can make money while doing travel blogging. And want to teach you much more. Throughout this presentation and throughout this course, hope to give you a ton of value with different experiences, tips, advice, all through successes and failures. And if you're willing to stay to the very end, I'm going to give you all the resources that are utilized throughout this video. And at the very end, there will be a special tip, which has changed travel blogging for me and helped me travel blog 3 times faster than I used to. So stick around and let's jump into it. I look forward to working with you, and if you'd like the chance to connect with me directly, you can reach me on Instagram at rush_beyond or reach out to me via email at mike@rushbeyond.com. Thank you so much and look forward to diving in how you can start a travel blog.